LeBron 9, Big Bang. Release date 2/18/22 on Nike Sneakers app for $240. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you can also follow us on IG at Clones TV. Look, must cop. And looking at these shoes, it ain't the design of the shoe. I'm not too crazy about LeBron 9, but it's just the colorway. I can see myself rocking these because of the colorway. But we're gonna try to get them in and get that review and on foot. But yeah, they dope. Like I said on one of the old previous videos, I believe the last hot LeBron or the LeBron 15. I think that's the last one. The 16 is dope. I got the Martins. I believe those are 16, but yeah, it's a must cop for me. Trey, what say you? They alright. They don't really do nothing for your boy. I don't gotta have them. And I'm not gonna say must cop. I'm gonna say they alright. The orange, you know, I'm feeling the orange, but it's just like you said, I'm not feeling the design of the shoe. But I'm not gonna say must cop. I'm good on these. I know they gonna sell out. I mean, that crazy colorway, I know it's gonna sell out. But the shoe just don't do nothing for your boy, so I'm gonna pass on it, bro. I'm gonna pass. Yeah. Can't do it. Yeah. Well, what say y'all? Are they hot? Are they trash? Are y'all gonna get them? Or y'all gonna pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. Alright? We out. Peace.